today I'm with my cousin Daniel.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm about to get in there. Wait 1 second. Get in there. Yes.
We rented a yacht tonight and it's so nice. It's relaxing. It's so peaceful. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of it. How pretty the wheel is.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Brittney's cousin, Daniel. Right now we're on our old private yacht. It's amazing. They greet us with sodas. Come see this. Stop. Just admire everything. Own kitchen. Bedroom. Come on, follow me. Watch your steps, it's a little steep. Twin bed, you can adjust the temperature. You know, it'll be a little hot and cold and hot. Follow me. Should we take them upstairs or to the front?
To the front.
Okay. Look at that amazing view of this beautiful city, Dubai.
I wish I could zoom in, but I don't know really.
And I'm proud of my cousin. Like, for living in Dubai, she's very successful, very beautiful. And for her to even do this, and even invite my broke self to come out here and stay with her, you know, I'll take the opportunity. Come on.
Look at the wheel.
Oh yeah, that very
It's so pretty. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm scared to drop my camera. Whew, I'm so nervous right now.
This is the front of the boat where we're sitting on. More yachts. Really not too much to say out here, just amazing. We got some great photos of Brittney out here. We're running it for 4 hours. It's just chilling.
I'll take you to the top now. So nervous to drop my camera. Okay. I was so terrified. The city looks so beautiful. There's not really much to show. How do I focus my face? Oh, there. Yeah, there's not really much to show, but that was it. And I just thought it was a cool experience. It was super cheap too. I was just like, wow, oh my god. Like, I think Dubai is so cheap. You guys don't even realize how cheap Dubai is. Like, everyone thinks it's so expensive. I don't know. I need to do another vlog on how cheap it is here. Like,
All good.
but
I'm
distracted, guys, because it's just so relaxing listening to the water. But they're taking us around JBR, and they're taking us to see the Burj Al Arab and through the Marina, and then we're going through the Palm. This is just so nice. I definitely recommend renting a yacht if you come to Dubai. So I will vlog later when I get next to the, oh my god, you gotta see the steering wheel, the Ferris wheel. It was a heart. It was so pretty. I don't know how to zoom in on here. Oh, I think this is how you zoom in. I'm trying. Oh, I figured it out. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. It was just a heart there. Look at that. It says Dubai. Look. I wish I had my phone. Okay, I'm gonna grab my phone, guys.